Okie dokie. So, here, Little House Story. Okay, I'm ready to tell it. So, let's get on with the story then. Okie dokie. Okay. It has come to my attention that sometime it's gonna be a big celebration. And I need to tell you. Fine. Okay. So, it's gonna be about me and my house. We're gonna party, and so I'm looking for you something, and I need you now because I just need you really, really bad. Okay? Good. Okay. Nothing up there. Is the Sonic up there? Okay, I'm gonna have to check. He's not him I was telling the story. No. There once was a little... I don't want to listen to that story. Let's listen to another one. One about me. Because I'm cool. I'm cool. Yeah, I'm really, really cool. So, you should talk about something else. Right, Tails? Well, never mind. We'll see you on the next video.